Hello, everyone, and welcome to this Australian Broker TV Leader Profile, where we're featuring non-bank Brighten. Today, we'll be hearing all about Brighten's blueprint for innovation strategy, where rapid growth is driven by technology and broker-centric solutions. We're privileged to have Jason Azzopardi, Chief Executive at Brighten, with us to share insights into the company's approach. He's based in Sydney. Welcome, Jason.
Thanks, Bennett. Thanks for having me.
To kick off, I'm going to ask Jason to give us some background about the rapid rise of Brighten and how it's making waves in the lending sector. So Brighten has experienced rapid growth in recent years. Jason, can you walk us through the key elements of Brighten's innovation strategy that have contributed to this success?
Yeah, sure. I'd love to. So we're very, very focused on products. I think Brighten's differentiation is we have a product for all Australians, whether you are an expat living overseas, whether you are building your dream home, or whether you're a normal salary and wage earner or self-employed person, we have a product for you. We further expanded that recently. We've gone into the commercial sector where we're now allowing people who want to buy factories for their businesses or various other commercial properties. We've expanded there with 4 different products. We've also offered a vacant land product to the Australian mortgage market. And that's for people who are looking to build a house and land package, but haven't actually decided yet on who they're going to build with, the type of home they want to build. They can buy that block of land, safe knowing they have the time to get their architects and the designs in place and build that dream home. We've been fortunate enough to increase the number of brokers who are accredited with Brighten. The broker network in Australia is absolutely crucial to Brighten. They originate over 75% of home loans today, and our business is very, very focused on ensuring that we can provide brokers the right product and service for their customers. We've increased the number of accredited brokers by 2,500 during the year. And we also recently joined the Mortgage Choice Aggregator panel, which has given all of those mortgage choice brokers the opportunity to access Brighten's products.
Great. Thanks, Jason. And how is Brighten leveraging technology to streamline processes, enhance service delivery, and ultimately support broker partners more effectively?
I think the key initiative that we recently brought in was the implementation of the NextGen platform. NextGen is the API from an aggregator's platform into the lender, and it is very, very common in the Australian mortgage market. It would have about over 95% market share. Brighten didn't have NextGen, and we saw that gap in our service offering to brokers and in our never-ending quest to be easy to deal with. We went live with NextGen in November last year, and that has been a huge benefit to the business, with brokers now seeing Brighten to be a lot easier to deal with. We also launched our broker portal, which allows brokers from the minute that a loan is submitted through NextGen through to our system to track that loan application right through to settlement. There's no need to call Brighten anymore or email us. That brokers can simply log into our broker portal and can have live tracking of where their deals are at. We are an active user of Quickly. Quickly is a system that a lot of brokers use to compare lenders for a particular scenario that a customer has. And I'm very pleased to say that Brighten features in the top 5 lenders across the entire Australian home loan market for many of those scenarios. And then for our customers, we're also very pleased to say that we've launched a customer service portal. This is the banking portal that customers use post-settlement, and the new portal has so many new features that it makes the online banking experience post-settlement for our customers a very seamless experience.
Great. Some good things happening on the tech front. So the next question comes up often with tech issues. So from your perspective, how does Brighten balance automation and digital tools with the human side, the human relationships that brokers and borrowers value?
Yeah, look, Brighten is absolutely a people business. Its success has been and will always be built on our people. And I'm very pleased to say that the team that we've assembled at Brighten is market leading in terms of relationship, in terms of service to brokers. We have a very, very highly experienced credit team based in Sydney. They are very, very well experienced on complex issues, which means they can help brokers get deals across the line. Our BDM team right around Australia set a great example for our brand. They're very, very responsive to our brokers and are held in very, very high regard and are a key pillar of Brighten's success. All of these teams, not only credit and sales, but right across Brighten, are backed by technology. And our structure of technology and our strategy for technology is to use tech as an enabler to make our people's ability to service their customers, whether it be brokers, whether it be the end home loan customer, whether it be an internal customer, that tech is continually being able to assist that be more efficient and give better responses to our customers.
Great, thanks a lot. All right, looking ahead, what's next for Brighten in terms of innovation? Are there any emerging technologies, products, or partnerships that brokers should be excited about?
Yeah, I definitely like to think so. We actively engage brokers in surveys on a monthly basis, and we have a very, very high response rate from our brokers giving us feedback on that, on our operations, whether it be our BDM team, whether it be our credit process, whether it be our settlement process. And we take that feedback and we're very active in going back to brokers and understanding what their wants and needs are, and then building that into our go-forward strategy. So for us, we want to continue investing in our core technologies to sustainably scale the business, to remain easy to deal with. Brighten's mantra is to remain easy to deal with. And we've got two great core systems, our origination system based on Salesforce and our post-settlement, our core banking system, which is on Interfi. And we are very, very focused on investing into those core technologies, but doing that very strategically to ensure we are providing the biggest benefit to our customers and our broker partners. We're going to continue expanding into the broker network through national aggregator partnerships. I spoke about Mortgage Choice earlier. We're very excited to announce that we're going to have another large announcement in that space soon, and that's going to make the Brighten products even more accessible to thousands more brokers and customers in Australia. And I also talked earlier about continuing to diversify into the commercial sector. That's been a slow process for us while we get the strategy right. We've now got the core leaders in place in the commercial space, and we're very, very focused on building the commercial products to brokers, as we're seeing a number of brokers can start to increase to write commercial loans. And finally, we're going to launch a new product in Q3 this year, which will be the SMSF product. That will basically mean there won't be any lender in Australia that has a product that Brighten doesn't write. So there's a lot of innovation, whether it be technology, product, or people. We're very, very excited about the future and building on the pillars that we have so far and looking to continue to grow into the future.
Excellent. There's a lot to look forward to. Full steam ahead.
Thank you.
And that concludes this Australian Broker Leader Profile. Thanks to Jason Azzopardi for brightening our day. And thanks for watching Australian Broker TV. Bye for now.